Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I'm going to talk to you today about my favorite product line. And before I do, I wanted to point out that when I do my videos, I wear very little makeup, because I want you to see my face. I have a little bit of concealer on today and some lipstick, mascara, and always a little bit of blush, but that's it, very simple. And I don't use injectables and I don't use fillers. This is my face. And I like you to see it this way so that you know that you can look good naturally and not have to rely on injectables or fillers to look good. I like my face better natural than I do seeing these faces that are all puffed up or tightened. You just look at them and you can see it right away that they do something to their face. So, and I attribute honestly my youthful skin to the products that I'm going to talk to you about here. Now, when I started with Viktoria, it was over 10 years ago, and at that time they had very few products. They had a Pepti Lift, Pepti Tone, Pepti Eye Serum, and I used that for about 3 years. And after I'd used the products for about 3 months, I just started getting rave reviews of my skin everywhere I went. Everybody wanted to know, did I have a facelift? Did I have my eyes done? It was every day. So I could tell you it does change your skin, it changes your face. I would say it changes the facial structure because I had horrible California sun damage, droopy skin with little elasticity. And, here I am today, 10 years later, and I don't have that issue anymore. So I wanted to talk to you today, which I've not talked about before in one of my videos, is their kits. They come with these amazing kits, which is a perfect way for you to start with your products. And these are all full-size products. They're not small, they're not travel size, or regular size. And it comes with the Pepti Lift, which lifts the face, and the Pepti Tone, which tones the skin. When you get that flaccid looking skin there as your face starts, the collagen starts depleting. It helps tone the skin. The Pepti Eye Serum, which is the best eye serum on the market. If you use it under the eyes and on the crow's feet on the lid, wrinkles will just melt away. That's what they do. They flatten out and you don't see them. So, and then they also have what you call the Rejuvenator. And they come in 3 strengths. It comes in the mild, in the regular, and the ultra. And for most of you, I would start off with the mild. If your skin's a little bit that you could take more, I would start with the medium. But the ultra, you want to work your way up to it because they do have a little bit of tingle to them. So I don't want to have you start off with the ultra and be sorry that you did. So I would again start with the mild and maybe the medium, but the ultra you want to wait on. So you would use the 3 main products, the Pepti Lift, Pepti Tone, Pepti Eye Serum, and then you put the Rejuvenator on last. And it's amazing products. They're all peptide based. But the Rejuvenator, it almost gives you results of like a retinol, because it evens the skin tone, it really tightens the skin more, and it just gives your skin a beautiful look. And it's very healing. They have some amazing pictures of that I've seen of just amazing healing of the skin. And it's just, these are just great products. And getting a kit, you also save a little bit when you get them. So you're getting a savings from them, and then you're getting, again, the full sizes of these. So I highly recommend this. This would just be the most perfect gift, for, not only for yourself, but for someone else. And I swear by them. I get amazed myself at my age. No wrinkles. I mean, you could see that. No wrinkles. And it's because of this. And if you have any questions, call me on my toll-free number, or you could send me an email. with the Victoria Deanne, they don't sell them online, so you do have to buy them from a licensed esthetician, and you need to call me because you don't see prices online, which is good. You know, they want you to know how to use the products properly, and to use them that's going to bring you benefits. And that's what I'm an expert at. I've used them for, like I said, over 10 years, and I know each product. They have other products that they carry too. They have different ones for like to help restore your fat pads and your gels, you know, and the elastin in your skin. I mean, so we've got a product for everything. What the peptides do, they're called peptide messengers, and they literally, you apply them one at a time, but they go to each part of the face that they need to go to. So like the tone you put on, and it goes to the part of the face that needs toning. Then you put on the lift, and it goes to the part of the face that needs lifting. So it's almost magical, but it's so amazing. And you know, if you get lazy, which sometimes we do, and like me, I'm always trying new things, so maybe I forget to use a certain product for a week or two, I can see the difference when I don't use it. But as long as I use these twice a day, that's my thing. I use them twice a day, and the results are just fabulous. So I really look forward to hearing from you, and again, the Victoria Deanne kit. So I look forward to talking to you. Thank you. Bye.